Hi. Remember I had told a few videos ago that I will not be customizing my Interceptor anymore. I'm done. The only customization that I would be doing is going to be the full system exhaust. Well, sometimes you come across products that are so personal and they just complement the motorcycle a little too well with subtle touches of what makes the motorcycle truly yours. And I did come across a couple of those products and I just couldn't resist. So let me show you while I install those on my motorcycle. I am going to be changing this oil cooler guard. This is the OEM oil cooler guard that is held on by these two Phillips screws at the bottom. This is also held by a 10mm bolt behind this screw, and you'll need to be very careful and smart about that for you to access that particular bolt. Goes without saying, do not attempt to do this while your motorcycle is hot. And there you are. Got it. There you go. Same with the other one. Man, people honk so much. There is no point in even living in a society. The two bolts, they are of reverse thread. One will open clockwise, one will open counterclockwise. So remember that. And done. And then what you do is you just pull this out like that, and it goes up. And there you go. This is the OEM radiator guard. There is also one by Royal Enfield that is now available on the Royal Enfield website, which has a beautiful RE logo at the bottom and just goes very well with the design. Alright, let's do some cleaning now. Be careful around these parts and just give it a gentle clean. You don't need to use a lot of power in cleaning this area. That's about it. Now, you would also need to retain these rubber grommets. Let me just do that. Okay, both these washers, rubber washers, I've removed and cleaned them thoroughly. Let's just put them in the new one. Okay, whew. After a lot of struggle with these amazingly hard rubber grommets, they are finally in, and let's just install this now. Same process. This just goes over this to these two levers, and this sits neatly like that. And then you just have to add the screw. Let me just do that now. The bolts and all have rusted quite a bit, I must say. Look at that. Thanks. Naturally, that'll happen. Done. Notice something different on this? Let me show you. Ta-da! This is a limited edition Streets.C product which has my logo on it. 304 steel with beautiful matte black finish paint. I love it. This is pretty nice. Next part is something that goes here. This is the air intake plate, which is the OEM part, and that came black painted as an added accessory when you're buying the motorcycle. Streets.C gave me a custom cover for this part right here. Looks like this. This is also a limited edition stainless steel 304 grade, which is excellent in terms of resisting corrosion and beautifully matte black painted. Looks something like this. Streets.C. This is a limited edition because of this thing right here. Let's just install this. It is just held by these two 5mm Allen bolts. They're held on pretty tight. I never open these. And that's it. Off comes the bolt. I'm just keeping my hand under because just in case either the bolt or the screw falls, then it might chip the black paint, which I don't really want. That's the bolt right here. I don't know why this is so tight. Oh, come on. There you go. That's the plate. Naturally, I definitely need to do this before putting anything new in here. Just feels good, right? Perfect. And this one also, it's an old part. Doesn't mean I should neglect it completely. Just clean it and keep it with you. Done. By the way, for you to install this, you need to remove this part right here. This is the small knee guard which comes off just like that. And it is very nicely painted. Can be adjusted above and below. I'll adjust it to middle. Not too tight. That's it. And there you go. There is sufficient gap between the engine fins and this right here. And I've already done on the left hand side. This also serves as a very nice knee guard, I would say, because it'll save you from the engine heat that might radiate during traffic. Thank you so much for watching this small video on this tiny modification by streets.c. Do check out their Instagram profile. They have some really good products for Interceptor and Continental GT also. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do let me know what you think about this in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. ये पास कर दो. इधर मेरा नाम लिखा है.
श्रीनिवास लिखा है.
इधर streets.c लिखा है, उसका नाम है ये. इधर मेरा लोगो डाला है उसने. कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है? इधर भी डाला है. इधर भी डाला है.
ये देखा भी लगाया था.
इधर भी डाला है. उधर जाके देखो. इधर भी डाला है.
इसे वॉश करा के फिर डालता है.
कल जाऊंगा वॉश कराने.
वॉश करा के फिर डालता है.
मैंने तो चलाया ही नहीं ना.
मैं थोड़ा सा कर्ड राइस खाई.
अच्छा ठीक है.
फिर आ गई.
अब खाने के बारे में मत बोलो.
आगे बैठ गई. ये ले मैंने कितने तो लगे पहले.
अच्छा.
मैं आराम करता था. तो चापते हैं दा.
चली.
आते ही मम्मी कह रही मेरे को मोर दे. फिर मोर अच्छा छाछ पड़ा था. वो एक गिलास दी.
ഇത് കുടിച്ചിട്ട് മേലെ പോരാ ശരി പോരും എനിക്ക് വേല മുടിച്ചാച്ച് വേല മുടിഞ്ഞാച്ച്
ഇത് ഉള്ളോക്കെയാണ്.
ഇല്ല ഇല്ല വേല എടുത്തുന്ന് പോരൻ. देखो अब पैर मुड़ रहा है. पहले क्या था ना, पहले ऐसे पैर रख लेता था, लेकिन इसके बाद ये एंकल ऊपर नहीं होता था. अब एंकल ऊपर हो रहा है. देख रहे हो, मतलब ब्रेक दबा सकता हूँ. नीगल क्रीम पार कर ले ना उनको कुछ दिखा रहा हूँ, कुछ बोल रहे हो आप. मतलब अप्पा भी ऐसे ही हैं, कुछ बोलो तो कुछ जवाब देते हैं.
पेन तो नहीं हो रहा है ऐसे कहते हैं.
पेन नहीं हो रहा. इतने टाइम के बाद देखता हूँ कि चला पाता हूँ कि नहीं चला पाता.
परसों चलाया था इधर से जा.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. लेट्स सी. बस यहाँ से यहाँ आ रहा हूँ. यस. चलो बाइक वापस चल रही है. अब आज जाता हूँ बाइकर्स बान.
सर्च कर ले, क्रीम लगा ले. वो
अरे क्रीम लगाने से क्या होगा. आप भी यार.
ये लगाया ये लगाया ये लगाया ये एक ही है. अच्छा अब ये लगाया दो पोर्शन दो कांच.
ये इस साइड भी है. हाँ
ये दिख रहा है चूड़ा की क्या
അതുക്കതാ
ये चूड़ा आइटम ला
പാക്കടത്തൊക്കെ നന്നായിരിക്കേ.
चूड़ा है चूड़ा है
ഇതും ചൂടാവും.